Speedography Volume 2nd Exercise 6 Speed 100 word per minute Start. Now I would like to place a critical point before the Union government. Sir, March rains are highly complicated rains. The meteorological study of 2010 indicate that across the Asian region, including India, whenever there are rains, especially at the including the phase of Rabi season and at the onset of Kharif season, both the farming community and the agrarian sector have faced very serious challenge. In the last 15 years, we have not come across the March rains. This time the month of March has begun with untimely rains and it is warning us to be alert about the fungal diseases. It will not end with this Rabi season. It will also prolong even to the Kharif season because of its carrying capacity of the germs and fungus. Para, the locust which creates havoc in the fields across the nation, is an important scientific point to be taken note of. Besides, sir, after the beginning of the rains for the initially 10 hours, the North Indian farming community took it as a grace because slight heat waves were gradually generating and the wheat and other crops were getting complications because of the sudden heat waves. These rains would have been supportive, but after 18 years are the agricultural research units, in particular the Indian Institute of Wheat and Barley Research, indicate that it was going to have very dangerous ramifications for tomorrow. Para, sir, in my state Telangana, particularly in Nizamabad and other districts, there have been continuous rains for the last 4 days. The commercial crops are stable crops, but they are this time. Vegetables, fruits and other commercial crops are getting complications due to March rains. So we have to look at the impending natural calamities, the climate change, the global warming and the El Nino effect are going to harm us. These indicators have to be taken very seriously and we should be ready to face these type of situations. Para, last year we faced drought throughout the country and these untimely rains have given a challenge to the Kharif season. Keeping these factors in view, I urge upon the Union government to treat this situation as a natural calamity. Not only this, sir, during the summer season, we are going to face very serious heat conditions. Even that is the something like a natural calamity. These shall be automatically taken note of apart from sending teams from the Union government.